everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing if you enjoyed the video, and I know you will. To my loyal subscribers, continue watching, and don't you forget to watch the ads, since this is going to give me the revenue that I need. So the first part of this video, guys, you're going to see in the previous video that I just posted. And yes, today we're making some mango jam. Alright, why buy store-made jam when you can get fresh juicy mangoes and make your own homemade jam? So let's get started. I have some ripe mangoes here, and I'm gonna peel them and then cut them up like this. You're gonna see this part of the video in the other video, okay? Be careful not to cut your fingers. I do them like this because it's quick, it's easy. This is my way. I can handle the knife when it comes to this. Once they're all cut up and done, I'm going to place them into the food processor. I choose to use the food processor, guys, because I'm not going to use any water into this mango. If I had to use the blender, certainly you would have had to use some kind of liquid, more so water. And we don't want any water when we're doing this, okay? Pulse it up just like this. Now this is what the mango looks like. All right, there are some chunky pieces, not too big, but yet still too coarse to pass through the sieve. At this point, the thick puree that I got from the mango here that is dropping into the dish is what I used to make my mango lassi in the previous video. So once you keep rubbing and making sure that you get most of the thick juice from the mango, don't you forget, guys, the part that I'm going to use to make the jam, the coarser set of the mango pulp, it still has a lot of juices into it. So here is what it looks like. You are still going to come out with a flavorful mango jam. There's a lot of juice up in here, so I'm going to pour this from my sieve into my pan over medium heat, and then I'm going to add some granulated sugar. I do not use essence, guys, not once I'm using any type of fruit. It tends to take away that taste. So I'm going to add my sugar and give it a stir and let it come to a boil. I'm not buying no store-made jam when I can get my fresh juicy mangoes and make my own homemade mango jam, guys. This is simple and sweet, and this jam tastes like sunshine. Now you want this jam to boil until it starts to thicken up. Simple, easy, and quick to make. As you can see here, guys, the color of the jam starts to change. The jam starts to thicken up. And you can see it starts to stick to the bottom of the pan. Just make sure you stir and it does not burn. Now I'm going to turn the heat off from under the pot and let it cool for about 10 minutes. Guys, at this time I have a little dish with some cold water, and I'm going to drop a little piece of this mango jam into the water. You know it is fully done once it stays warm in the water. Alright? So now I have a mason jar in a dish with some water, and I'm going to pour the mango jam right into the mason jar and set it aside so that it can cool. You can see at this time that the jam is formed and nice. It's not a jelly, guys, it's jam, it is thick, and I can use my jam on some crackers. You can also use it on some bread slices. Use it to your advantage, you know. I use mine here and it didn't even last long, guys. Served with some passion fruit drink. Then I'm going to place the cover onto the lid, and you can place in the refrigerator or you can leave it on the shelf. Give it a try, enjoy, and let me know what you think. I will see you in my next video.